Good
Thursday.
We haven't talked vintage in a while. I have never owned vintage seashells. Baking seashells. From 1969. The year man landed on the moon. If you go on eBay, you can find a bunch of these packaged shells. Not these. I think there's one other seller selling this one. Why did I want this one? This is by Nevco. Nevco, and it actually has the date. Probably won't be able to see it, but it actually says 1969. And then there's really weird recipe here. We're going to tweak it because it's a really weird, and I'm not going to do crab meat. We're going to do chicken. The problem with this recipe, there's egg white, mayonnaise, and paprika, and that's it. And that picture shows breadcrumbs and maybe parsley. Come on. If you're going to show the picture, at least get the recipe right. Wow. These are 55 years old, right? Let's open up these 55-year-old baking shells. 55 years old. Unbelievable. All right. 69. The staples are rusty. Uh-oh. Rusty. Okay. Don't poke yourself with a rusty staple. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is there another staple I'm missing? It's still there? There's part of the staple. Let's get rid of that. Nevco made a whole bunch of like household things. Were they sold in Woolworth and stuff like that? Let's quickly show the recipe. To one beaten egg, add half a cup of mayonnaise, mix with crab meat, and it doesn't say how much crab meat or shrimp. It doesn't say how much. Sprinkle with paprika and bake. We're going to tweak a little bit. I've got some breadcrumbs, I've got some lemon, dried basil into the mayo maybe. Oh. These are made in Japan. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's like plastic shredding. Oh, I almost want to put this in a baggie and save it. I might do that. Oh my gosh. This one's chipped. Sadly. I can file that edge down a little bit, make it nicer. Some more of that smushed plastic. 55-year-old smushed plastic. And you've got these little stickers. Made in Japan. How cool is that? Okay, this one has a little chip. Boy, you know, they didn't look chipped in the... If I file that, you won't know it's been chipped. That's too bad. This one looks okay. There's 4 of them. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful one. Oh. We're going to fix them up a little bit. We're going to wash them and boil them, I think, just to make sure they're sanitary.
panko crumbs.
Here's our chicken. This is about 2 chicken tenders cooked and shredded by hand. Get an idea how much chicken we have. Oh! About 1.5 cups of chicken. This is garlic, celery, and onion. No idea the amounts, very little. We're gonna put it in for flavor, sauteed, and a tablespoon of butter. I think we're just gonna sprinkle it in. Let's just do it. Let's mix it up. This is gonna go back in the fridge to thicken up. It's already thickening. Make sure it's mixed so that we know all the egg white is incorporated. Okay. Let's put this in a smaller bowl. There you go. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge just so those panko crumbs soak up. It's not too crunchy. Lightly toasty. I am going to let these sit for a couple minutes so I don't burn myself, and we'll be back. Chicken, mayonnaise, egg white, basil. You can see some of the spots of basil, that's cool. Panko crumbs, lemon rind, lemon juice. Should we try it? Let's try it. Let's see if it's too solid or... Here we go. Oh, it's lemony. That's good. It's tender. You know what? I think this came out pretty good. Let's break it open. I like it. It's pretty good. Experiment.
Thursday.
Hot. Can't really taste the garlic right now, but I could smell it when it was baking. Oh yeah, I hear ya. I baked it for about 15 minutes. Maybe it could have gone a little longer to get the top a little darker. It's delicious. Oh, I'm glad I did this. chicken on the half shell. I can taste the butter panko crumbs. I'm just saying. Use your fingers, Mom. Question is, how will these be at reheating in the microwave, huh? Very lemony. I can totally taste the lemon rind. I'm not sure I taste the basil, even though we put a bit in there. Oh, very nice. Hey! Thanks for joining me this
Thursday.
You know what I'm going to say? What are we going to say? Thanks for watching.